How to use the 5-pin push-button switch. Use the power supply, button, and fan connection interaction to show the usage and working status of the entire 5-pin push-button switch. Here the red line represents the positive pole, which is connected to the positive pole, and the black line represents the negative pole, which is connected to the negative pole. 5-pin push-button switch. 5 pins are in C pin, no pin, common pin, lead pin. The positive pole of the power supply is connected to the common pin. The negative pole of the power supply is connected to one end of the lead pin. The positive pole of the fan is connected to the no pin, and the negative pole of the fan is connected to the negative pole of the power supply. Use another wire to connect the no pin and another lead pin. A loop is formed at this point. Press the button light is on, and the fan starts. Press the button again, the button light is off, and the fan is turned off.